Welcome to a quick overview of the Smart iOS Growth Charts app. Upon pressing Choose a Child, the patients available on the server are shown in a list. In this case, the user had previously logged in. Upon choosing a child, all its measurements will be pulled across the API. You can see data is shown in a table-like manner at the top. Units, as well as the percentiles data source, can be changed in a pop-up. In the panel below, all available charts are shown and can be filtered to only show charts including a certain measurement, length in this case. Let's take a look at the WHO chart. Tapping a measurement point shows details about the measurement and allows to configure how measurements are shown in the chart. PDF versions of the chart can be shared to other apps, emailed, or printed. After zooming into the chart, a tap and hold will show the interactive point dragger, which can be used to add measurements or to quickly look up which percentile a data point would lie on. The app also contains a standalone percentile calculator not shown here. Included are most CDC and WHO charts. The app, without Smart on FHIR integration, is available in the iTunes App Store.